After struggling in our business for over a year, we finally came online and I started to learn how to market on Instagram. Now, during that year, we hadn't generated a single lead for our business. But after getting started on Instagram, we started generating leads and then making our very first sales online through Instagram. Eventually, it led us to hitting our very first leadership rank in our business. Now, maybe you're just getting started, or like us, you've been at this for a while, but it hasn't come together for you yet. Either way, this video is for you. It's Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, and I'm going to teach you the exact 6 steps that we use to make our very first sales on Instagram so you can too. Step number 1, I created my profile so that was most interesting to the people who are likely to be interested in my offer. I didn't create it so that it tried to appeal to every person who could use or should want my offer. I created it in a way that spoke to the people who are most likely to take out a credit card and purchase. So you gotta know who that is. Before you can create a profile that speaks to them, you gotta know who they are. So who is most likely to actually be willing to purchase what you have to offer? Here's a hint. They probably have purchased other things like it in the past and maybe following people who are in the same niche as you. Then your profile should give them value that speaks to whoever they are. Step number 2 is to set up the actual text of your bio, not just to talk about yourself, but set it up to tell people what they're gonna get from following you. People don't care about you. People care about themselves. So keep that in mind when you're filling out stuff like your bio so that they understand if they're coming to check out your profile, you have about 3 seconds or less to make them follow you. You want them to understand what the benefit to them is going to be if they follow your account. Step number 3, we set up our bio link, the actual website link in your bio, to give away something for free that our customers would be interested in. So we weren't trying to sell them directly from our Instagram page. We gave away something for free in exchange for their email address so that we could start building an email list and generating leads. Once they're a lead, that's when you go for the sales, folks. Trying to push people to make a sale directly from your website link is very unlikely to happen. Step number 4, 80% of our posts were pure value. So if you're speaking to the home business industry, give tips about building a home business. If you're speaking to people who are interested in health and wellness, give tips about health and wellness. But give value to your audience. Give them a reason to follow and engage with you. Then the other 20% of the time, guess what? Just give them a call to action, a CTA. Tell them to click why they should click the link in your bio. And if you've given all this good value up beforehand, when you tell them to do something, they're much more likely to do it. And when they click the link in your bio, they're getting whatever freebie you set up and you're generating a lead for your business. Step number 5. Just connecting with people who are likely to be interested in your offer and growing your account, finding them on other accounts or through hashtags, and connecting with those people who are most likely to join, to purchase, to buy, whatever. People who've already expressed some sort of interest in your niche, in your industry, based on the posts that they're making or that they're commenting or engaging on online. Now, before we get into our final step, then really the most important step that directly brought in sales from the very beginning, I just want to invite you to our upcoming Instagram training. We're going to go over the A to Z of Instagram marketing, how to make non-salesy posts that get people to buy, plus how to grow a targeted audience fast. So make sure to click the link in the description or in the info card up here to get registered. Now, number 6, our final step, guys, is that I would personally reach out and have conversations with people I knew I could help. If I looked at their account and I knew that my offer based on the information on their account would definitely help them, that they would be interested in it and it could help them, I started conversations. In these conversations, I'd build up a little know, like, and trust, and I'd offer them maybe our free giveaway that was in our bio link, or just set up a phone call where we can discuss how we can help them out. The key here is to have something that will solve people's problems and they're actually interested in. As you grow your Instagram account and you get more and more followers and you get more and more reach on your posts, you're gonna get more people just clicking on the link and generating leads 24/7 without you doing anything. But at the beginning, if you want to hustle it out, you want to make more sales, you want to generate more leads, then you do it through talking to people. Shock, right? It's social media. People want to be social. So talk to people, have a conversation, figure out how your offer can help them, and then simply offer to help them out. It's really that easy. Don't make it harder than it is. Get busy on Instagram. Join us for our upcoming training. Again, this is Leah Ray from toddandleahray.com. We are rooting for you. We are here to help you succeed in creating the time freedom that you and your family deserve. If you are new to our channel, make sure to say hi in the comments so that we can welcome you to the community. I'll see you soon.